అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సంక్రాంతి పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. My respects to all the dignitaries here, assembled here, and my respect to Sri Muralidhar Rao ji, who has been my mentor and guide. And really, when I was invited for this program, already I have scheduled another program, but when it was said that Sri Muralidhar Rao ji is conducting this Telugu Sangamam, the Shankaranti Sammelanam, to unite all the stalwarts of this state, so I immediately rescheduled my program and I decided to attend this program. So that decision is a very good decision, because from the beginning I enjoyed the program, and I should congratulate Sri Gangadhar Shastri for his fantastic presentation and his voice, really blessed voice you have, really I appreciate that. And my respects to Honorable Himachal Pradesh Governor Bandar Dattatreya, who have left the place because he has to reach the airport by 2 o'clock, but he was also our guide from 2003 to 2007. And my respects to the film star who was felicitated here, Sri Krishnama Raju Garu, and my respects to the poet, lyricist, Telangana cinema, Sri Vennela Sitharama Shastri. Sri Vellala, he has written wrong. Sri Vellala Shastri. Sitharama Shastri. Sri Vellala Sitharama Shastri. Because your poets are so good. Tamilis I should not wrongly pronounce it. So I have correctly pronounced it, because I heard he is like Kannadasan of Tamil Nadu. So I should, I understand when he was introduced like that, because we are all the lover of lyrics of Kannadasan. And here also, when he was talking, even though I am not fully understanding the language, 75% I could understand. So I really appreciate the his literary work, and he is felicitated here. I should congratulate Sri Muralidhar Rao ji for identifying such literary stalwarts and felicitating them. And my respects to one and all here assembled. And first my appeal is, because today, apart from the Makara Shankaranti celebrations here, today is a very important day. As a doctor, actually I attended a program of polio drops. That 2 drops prevents the polio attack of the young children. So before 5 years, I appeal the people of Telangana, even though we have not reported the polio for the past 2 years, I appeal the people of Telangana in whose house children below 5 years are there. If you have not taken the immunization, please go and take the immunization. That is my first message, not only as a governor, as a doctor, because celebrations may be healthy when we follow healthy habits. And apart from that, I really enjoyed this program, and I know how Sri Muralidhar Rao ji will organize programs. He is very good in that, and we have followed him. So this program is really a remarkable program, and whatever maybe because already all the message has been said here. My appeal is, please, because when we came here, this Makara Shankaranti sweets, Nuvundalu, it's very nutritious, very nutritious. So it is not only celebration, it is done with dil and jaggery and chakramlu. We say it is murukku, and this is all very nutritious material, food stuff. So my appeal is, please, let us return to the roots of having our traditional food. Let us eat what our grandmother, grandfather ate because they lived long. Now we have deviated from our tradition, and I should say whether it is Telangana or Tamil Nadu. As it is our Honorable Muralidhar Rauji mentioned here, Telugu is a Sundar language. Even our Tamil Kavi Bharatiyar, he has said, Sundara Teluginil Pattisait. So we love Tamil, and he has said Telugu is Sundaram, that is more beautiful. So this is, even though the borders, the state may be different, but our culture, our love, for example, how the culture has been interchanged with Tamil Nadu. One of the example is Tyagaraya Kirtanai. Tyagaraya Kirtanai is sung by each and everyone in Tamil Nadu, and really he is lauded there. And apart from that, only as I said, only the border and the place is different. For example, the sugarcane is here is green, and the sugarcane in Tamil Nadu will be purple in color. But color may be differ. Color may differ, but the sweetness in this green sugarcane as well as in the purple sugarcane are the same. So the state may be different, whether it is Tamil Nadu or Telangana, or the tradition of Makara Sankranti, that is Pongal, is same. That is connecting each and everyone. So I am really very happy to be here, and I really enjoyed the program. I wish each and everyone a happy Makara Sankranti and a very successful 2020. Thank you so much.
ధన్యవాదాలండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.